Hi everyone. My name is Dheeraj Misra, and I have been guiding for Gate Aerospace Engineering from the past many years. Okay, I have taught foundational courses for aerospace engineering like mathematics and aptitude. Mathematics plays an important role. That is only the one reason many students face failure in the Gate examination. Okay, so in this video session, I'm just going to walk you through entire report of GATE 2024, which was released by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Okay, so you will get an idea how many students are registering for GATE examination and how many students are appearing for GATE examination, how many students are getting qualified in the GATE examination, right? And what is the competition basically, and what is the reason of getting failure in gate aerospace in particular, right? So this session will be on particular in aerospace. Okay, and I'm just going to highlight all those points that you must know, okay, before you get started your preparation, and you must decide, okay, from where to prepare for. Okay, because after watching this video you will be able to decide, okay, yeah, this is the whole story. Okay, understand? So what is the chance of getting success in gate examination for you? Okay, if you're preparing from anywhere in India, right? So this video is all about how many student has got appeared in gate 2025, registered, qualified, rank versus score. Okay, category wise, what was the cutoff, what was the maximum marks that AIR1 has got, all India one rank has got, how many student has got qualified in the gate examination, right? And up to what rank you can get into IITs and ISC and NITs. Okay, so this will be the video for Gate Aerospace, and this initiative has been taken by EECS Academy. Okay, WCS Academy, which talks about electrical engineering, computer science, data sciences. Okay, electronics and communication, particularly EECS Academy teaches for gate data science, computer science, and electronics and communication and electrical engineering, right? So we have also started this aerospace. Okay, and we will be very soon starting our video courses from gate 2026. Okay, not from 2025. We are offering free guidance for gate 2025. Okay, so let us walk you through without spending much time. I'm just going to walk you through to entire statistics. Okay, so I'm just going to minimize myself because I think you have seen now. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see here, guys, the very first page I have taken here is how many student has got appeared in the gate examination. So this paper code is Gate Aerospace Engineering. Okay, Gate Aerospace Engineering, that is AE. And last year in Gate 2024, that was conducted by IISc Bangalore. Okay, this year Gate 2025 is gonna get conducted by IIT Roorkee. Okay, so the test paper name is Aerospace Engineering, right? Okay, so number of registered candidate, okay, in the gate examination you can see is nothing but 69.69 31 6,931. Okay, 6,931. See, in India the Indian population is what, 4 billion population in India, right? But you see 6,931 people are only registering for gate examination, right? So it means that it is a clear picture that Dheeraj sir has to take action, right? Okay, that is the reason Gate Aerospace EECS Academy, the Dheeraj sir started, this program, that is Gate Aerospace complete, preparation strategy program. And for Gate 2025 people, I'm just going to give all the guidance for free, right? Okay, including my all mathematics and aptitude lectures, which is going to enhance your score. So I will discuss all those things, don't worry. Okay, so you see here one of the candidate, there should be somebody, okay, who should take this kind of initiative. Okay, then only many people can at least get an awareness, okay, that yeah, there is an opportunity in gate aerospace engineering, right? Very less number of people. So in this paper anybody can appear who are having a good foundation in physics and mathematics. Okay, anybody can appear in gate aerospace engineering based on my experience, right? So number of candidate appeared. See, Out of 6,931, you see how many students are getting appeared in the gate examination. So many students fail to appear in the gate examination, in fact. Okay, there can be various reasons. Okay, they may not be able to reach to destination, or they might have chosen wrong centers. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Okay, so in GATE Aerospace Engineering, there are brilliant opportunity at IITs and ISC and IIT. Okay, different IITs. Okay, IIT Bombay is at number one, right? IIT Madras has got very good facility for GATE Aerospace Engineering. I mean, aerospace engineering. Okay, it has very great department. Many of my students have got into IIT Madras as well. Okay, so you see there is a 1,000 difference, okay, in 6,931. So we have the calculation, please. 6,931, and we can subtract it. Okay, so if we are going to subtract, so we can see the offset. Okay, how many students failed to appear in the gate examination. So they might have filled the paper, but they were not confident about it. Okay, so they left this paper to write it. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, so 6, and then you can subtract it. Okay, I don't have any problem, right? So there will be 7. Okay, 7, then it is going to be what, guys? It is going to be 6, understand? Then it is going to be 1. So how many students did not appear for it? You can also verify. Okay, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 5 12, then 13, 6 plus 2, yeah, this is correct. So more than 1,500 students were not able to appear in the gate examination. Okay, okay, they fail to appear. In fact, unless you appear, how can you get how can you get to know about what is the status of gate, right? What is the level of gate aerospace engineering, right? So, and the cutoff marks was 33.33, and for OBC and EWS the cutoff marks was 29. Okay, 29, you can see at 29. Okay, understand? So I will be minimizing myself according to the slide. Yes. So and the cutoff marks for SCST, you see 22.31. So you see here, if somebody belongs to SCST category, right? Okay, they have better chance, okay, to get qualified in the gate. But qualifying in the gate examination is not only the criteria to get into IITs and IISc. You have to get good score. I will be discussing everything, score versus rank for different category individually, right? Okay, so I hope this picture is clear. So very less number of students are appearing. Okay, very less number of students. So the simple reason is they don't have awareness. In India, there is no leader who can spread the awareness. So that is the reason uh, your mentor Dheeraj sir is going to take this initiative, and I'm just going to spread. I will be talking about throughout my life about Gate Aerospace, and I will be guiding. So this number will certainly increase. Okay, you see from 2026 onwards, right? And I'm gonna give you complete guidance for Gate 2025 for free. But from 2026, you will be getting complete guidance at Gate Aerospace ECS Academy, and there will be some nominal fee which will be very less compared to all the existing institute in India, right? So we will be offering at very low prices, okay, that anybody can afford. This is also one of the reason many students are not appearing in the gate examination. They are not able to prepare for gate because the fee is pretty high. Okay, the fee is pretty high. Like people charge 30,000, 35,000, and they keep entire money in their pocket. In fact, they don't pay that money to their faculty also, understand? I mean, they keep it. In fact, they conduct the live session, okay, and once the faculty recorded the live session, they will keep selling in the back, okay, at any cost, any random cost, right? 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 30,000. I have seen with my naked eyes, I'm telling you, right? So this is the story, right? So this is the reason many students fail also, because they are not able to afford to prepare for gate in aerospace. So that is the reason Dheeraj sir has taken this initiative. I will be giving relaxation to all the candidates, those who are facing challenges financially as well. Okay, from next gate 2020, you can say 2026 onwards, right? Okay, So let us go to next slide. Okay, so this is going to be the discussion. Okay, like GATE 2025, 2024. Okay, GATE aptitude test in engineering, statistical and performance report. Okay, I'm just going to talk with respect to I'm just going to talk with respect to what aerospace only. I'm not going to talk with respect to any other branch. Okay, that please remember this, right? Because I'm so excited. I have been planning from the past 7 months, okay, for creating one YouTube channel and start guiding for GATE Aerospace Engineering, okay? Because this year, last year I have taught around more than 200 people, who got a very great rank. They landed in IIT Bombay, ISC Bank, IIT Madras, Kanpur, okay, different IITs, okay? So I have contributed a lot in GATE Aerospace, okay? People will not find it people will not give you credit, but yes, I have contributed. Okay, my student always give me the credit. Sir has taught mathematics and aptitude in such a way that nobody has taught, okay, in India. Okay, for GATE Aerospace I'm talking about. Okay, because if you find other lectures, if you're not able to watch my lectures, suppose you will not get my lectures, right? So though people are still selling my lectures, right, wherever I have taught, right, without any agreements, without any consent, they are selling my lectures. Okay, I will not name okay, their name, but they are selling my lectures in the back, I know. Okay, but if you find some other lectures, okay, they just teach what the formula and the question, that's it. In my case, I teach everything from the scratch, and I also emphasize these are the topic, okay, that are going to make difference in your life, in your core subjects, right? Fine. So this will be the statistics, guys. Okay, let us go through statistics, and I will come to mathematics and aptitude part. Okay, and I will also tell you the reason behind failure in the GATE examination in aerospace engineering particularly, in fact in all the branches, but this YouTube channel is related to GATE Aerospace. Okay, so I'm not going to, make any sort of excursion outside the GATE Aerospace Engineering, right? Yeah. So let us move ahead and talk about this. So paper wise and category wise qualifying marks and qualifying GATE scores, right? You see this is important. Okay, this is important. Yeah. So paper wise and category wise qualifying marks and qualifying GATE scores, right? Okay, so let us go through this. So this is a paper code, aerospace engineering, registered candidate, 6,931, appeared 5,255. There is a difference of more than 1,500. This is a shocking data. This is a shocking data. And this is the reason Dheeraj sir has started. This is the reason Dheeraj sir has started GATE Aerospace Engineering guidance program, and very soon from 2026, we are supposed to launch all the live lectures, recorded lectures for GATE Aerospace, and the faculty will be from IITs and ISC. All the GATE toppers will be teaching you, right? And they have excelled in the GATE examination. They will be teaching you everything from scratch. In fact, I will be teaching you mathematics and aptitude. So this is the reason. This is the reason. You see how many students are getting qualified in the GATE. And what is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? This is the shocking data. The reason is only mathematics and aptitude and not the proper mentorship. Focusing on only high fees. Talking about that, we have to pay to all the faculty around 30,000. I mean, okay, so much so much salary has to be paid, right? Not focusing on particular student that, yeah, they are paying 30,000, 35,000, and they're failing in the GATE examination. You see, 1,010, right? This is a qualified candidate number, right? And out of 1,010, how many students will get into IIT? I will discuss, right? You see, not all number will get into IIT, remember, or ISC. Okay? So I have to increase this number over the next few years, right? Okay. You see, this is the reason. Okay, Dheeraj sir is taking all the initiative, right? Okay, we are working hard and to be able to create wonderful lecture, but For GATE 2025, this entire guidance is gonna get free. Just watch this session carefully, okay, and you will get shocked. Next, mean marks of top 0.1%, you can say, that is nothing but 80.97. 0.1%. See, average marks is 18.47 out of qualified candidate. Okay, standard deviation is gonna be 14.84. So you don't have to worry about these stats, right? Okay. The general category cutoff marks, you can see this is a qualifying marks, right? Okay, 33, OBC 29.9, SC ST 22, general category, you see here qualifying score also. So this is the marks. So 350 score is the qualifying score and the marks is 33.33. And out of this 33.33, there is a 25 to 28 marks from, from mathematics and aptitude, sir. From mathematics and aptitude, sir. Okay, you see, from maths, okay, from maths and aptitude. And aptitude. You see here. So how many marks you're getting from aerospace syllabus, the core aerospace syllabus I'm talking about? You're not getting anything. So what is the need of paying high fees to any institute in India? I mean, those who are running, okay, understand. What is the need of that? You guys are wasting your money simply, right? Because mathematics 25 marks and you are just getting what? You're not able to get 33.33 marks as well, right? So that is the reason. Okay, GATE Aerospace ECS Academy is coming into picture, right? We are going to guide everything from scratch. Everything from scratch, okay? You see. And at very affordable cost. That is also I'm mentioning. Everything is gonna be half of the fees from entire existing institute, right? We will be offering all the courses at half of the fees. Like you can say 10K, 15K. That's it. The maximum fee will be 15K. That's it. Not more than that. 15K for GATE Aerospace only. For other branch of engineering, the fee can be anything. But for aerospace, the fee will be only 15K. Right? And this year, everything is free from Dheeraj sir side. Okay. Next. So you see, guys, marks versus score. Okay. And for general category, this is 311. And for SC/ST, guys, you see, for SC/ST category people, right? Those who are studying BTech and they belong from SC/ST category. You see, they have 103 for qualifying, and the marks is 14 point something. What is that? Uh, Qualifying marks is 22. Okay, 22.1, and the score is 103, right? So this is a shocking data that not every year IITs release the report, but this year Indian Institute of Science has given this report, and I was really like I was disappointed with this shocking data, right? So I thought of creating this YouTube channel and start putting my effort, okay, making the everything you can say all kind of awareness related to GATE Aerospace. Okay, so wait and watch what I'm supposed to do next. Okay, I will talk everything, and everything is legitimate. Okay, that I will be talking in entire video in any session, right? You see. Now let us talk about this. Okay, so paper wise, category wise counts of registered, appeared, and qualified candidates. So I'm just going to talk about paper wise, that is aerospace. So registered candidate from general category was only 28,500. Only this number is there. 2,856. Yeah. Appeared कितने हुए देखो, इसमें भी 800 लोग appear ही नहीं हुए, right? There is a difference. क्वालिफाइड देखो जनरल कैटेगरी में कितने होते हैं, मोस्टली पीपल से ना कि जनरल कैटेगरी से हो भाई, देखो out of 2856 people, 393 from general category are getting qualified. What is the reason? Because they don't have access of mathematics and aptitude from Dheeraj sir particularly. They're not getting an access. They don't know, what reason is there. They don't know the application of entire maths, okay, in their core subjects. They are not taught by a mentor, right, who is having 10 plus year of experience, right, for mathematics, who can tell and guide that this is the foundation, okay, that will help you get into, gate. See, you are appearing in the gate, but why you not getting qualified? Find out the reason. You guys can comment also in the comment box, okay. So you see, general category I'm talking about, okay. So 2856 people have appeared, registered, appeared इतने हुए और फेल हो गए बहुत सारे, 1700 फेल हो गए. Nobody is going to talk about this, okay. Nobody is going to talk about this. How many students are getting failure in the gate examination? Nobody will talk about. They will only talk about those who have got rank, so that they can get more student, okay, from the next year. But they will never talk about what, how many student got failure from their institute, or they haven't got proper guidance. And those people who run the kind of institute, those who do not give the credit to the teachers, if any teacher is teaching you, right, so because of that teacher only you are getting ranked, not because of any institute particular. Let me tell you frankly, see, I'm running this ECS Academy. Okay, so you will not get ranked because of this ECS Academy. This is just a platform, I'm telling you. This is just a, you can say, bridge between you and me, right? ECS Academy Gate Aerospace is going to connect everyone with me and with all the teachers, okay? Those who are from IITs and ISC, right? Okay, like they have done their masters or currently enrolled, okay? Those who has been a topper. Sometimes I have taught them also, right, mathematics and aptitude. So people do not give credit to any teachers. You see anywhere, you see for Gate Aerospace people have got good rank, but people will not give any sort of credit that which teacher has taught you. Only student can give credit, but they are also forced not to write about any teachers. Just write about that particular institute, so that they can keep money into their pocket. That's it. The teacher should not get recognized, okay. But because of that teacher only, you're getting good rank, okay. And because of that, you see, and you are not having access to that teacher, so many students are failing in the gate examination, right? That is the reason, okay. See, next, registered candidate, you see here in case of EWS, okay, EWS, economically weaker section, कितने लोग रजिस्टर्ड हुए? 304. अपीयर्ड कितने हुए देखो, और कितने लोग पास हुए, क्वालिफाइड हुए? 76. In case of OBC, you see guys, I think general category and OBC is having some sort of very close number, right? Okay, very close difference is there, right? And how many students are appearing? Yes, this, and qualified, you see. So in fact, qualifying rate, if you see the percentage, you can compute the percentage as well. After attending my lectures on aptitude and all, right, you will be able to have the idea, okay, that yeah, how to compute the percentage, right? So you see there is no much difference, we are able to see. Fine. And registered candidate in case of SC appeared and qualified, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो 1000 रजिस्टर्ड हुए, और ये रजिस्टर्ड एसटी में कितने, इतने, और ये 36 क्वालिफाई हुए, राइट. सो आप देख सकते हो कि मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट जो हैं ज्यादा क्वालिफाई किस में हो रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हो पूरा डेटा है यहाँ पर, राइट. हम मैंने कैटेगरी वाइज दे दिया है, मतलब मैंने वहां से पिक किया, पूरे रिपोर्ट को रीड किया. एंड keep in mind what is the failure. I will tell you in another session, right, what is the failure of not getting qualified in the gate examination. ठीक है, next we will move ahead. देखो, paper wise minimum and maximum marks and scores. So maximum marks that was obtained by AIR1, that is nothing but 86.33. Only one guy is getting these marks, that's it. Okay, and the minimum marks you see is a negative 11.67. And what is the reason again? They are zero in maths. Simple. They have paid fat fees, but they have not been given an access to a teacher who teaches nicely, right? See, if somebody is teaching mathematics or any subjects per se, just giving you the formula and okay, you take this question, solve this PYQ, okay, and you can get good rank and get no. Unless you understand, see, it's not about getting marks from mathematics. Mathematics is the core foundation for GATE aerospace, guys. If you are studying structure, aerodynamics, propulsion, any subjects you talk about, there is a core math involved. When derivation comes into picture and you guys fail, in fact teacher fails, I've seen people struggling for single question for 1 mark 1 hour. Okay, one hour, right? When any mathematical concept comes into picture, they struggle a lot. I have seen it with my naked eyes. Okay, I'm not gonna name anybody, right? However, they talk about my name, okay, to everyone. So I'm also happy for that. At least people are talking about me, right? Okay, but I never talk about them. I never talk about them, right? Because they do not exist in my life. But they talk about me. I'm very glad. At least people talk about me, right? So you see here the marks. The maximum marks is 86.33, and this disappoint me. Okay, no my student will get negative 11.67. If you have studied from me in future, if you will be attending my classes, live classes, recorded classes, you will never get negative 11.67. This is a bad score that you can say, right? I will teach you for free if you are that weak in maths. Okay. And the maximum score that people have got, like the AIR one, that is 962, and the minimum you see negative marks. Okay, next. So the paper wise range of marks out of 100 of appeared candidate. Okay, see, paper wise range of marks out of 100 appeared candidates. See, less than 0 कितने लोगों को मिला है? Less than 0, I think anybody can appreciate. Less than 0 marks in GATE aerospace engineering. See, out of appeared student, how many people have got less than 0 marks? There are 217 people. In the less number of people, less number of aspirant. What is the reason? See, मैं आपको बता देता हूं सिंपल. इंग्लिश बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है? इंग्लिश बोल के बच्चों को बेवकूफ बनाने से कुछ भी नहीं होता है, ठीक है? दैट इज वेरी बेसिक ट्रूथ आई एम टेलिंग यू, राइट? 0 मार्क्स, लेस देन 0 मार्क्स का मतलब 0 भी नहीं आया भाई, निगेटिव मार्क्स आ गया. 217 लोगों का. कितने कम लोग अपीयर होते हैं गेट में. लोग इंग्लिश बोल करके, अपनी स्टोरी सुना करके, फेक स्टोरीज, राइट? I will come to everything, don't worry, as soon as we move ahead, right? ठीक है? You see this, less than 0. Okay, in India I'm talking about, ठीक है? 217 लोग 0 आ जाते हैं. वैसा नहीं है. आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जो 217 नंबर है, they might have also taken coaching from somewhere? ऐसा नहीं है. They might have taken certainly, बट इनको नहीं बताया जाएगा कि ये निगेटिव मार्क्स हमारे यहाँ से आए हैं, राइट? बट मैं हाईलाइट करूंगा एक एक पॉइंट. मतलब वंस माई फर्स्ट बैच और मेरे गाइडेंस के थ्रू जितने भी बच्चे निकलेंगे, इनफैक्ट मैं लिंक्डइन में आप लोगों को हर एक स्टूडेंट का अपडेट करता हूँ, जितने लोगों का आईआईटी में होता है या कि, है ना? बट फेलियर का भी मुझे सामने लाना है, क्योंकि फेलियर का आएगा तभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि क्या रीजन है फेल होने का, ठीक है? और बहुत सारे बच्चों को एक लर्निंग मिलेगी कि अच्छा क्या रीजन है फेल. देखो, ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ यू आर फेलिंग इन सम एग्जाम्स यू आर वीक इन दैट. नो, you are not getting proper guidance, proper mentorship, right? and you don't know what are the free resources available, okay, for gate exam, okay, next. So between 1 to 10 marks कितने लोगों को मिला था? You see guys, this number is horrible. 100% इस रेंज में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो गेट का कोचिंग किए हैं, but nobody is going to talk about them, right? Nobody. Or they do not have any access to my mathematics and aptitude course. ठीक है, धीरज सर इज गोइंग टू डू इट. तो इतने नंबर को तो मैं डिक्रीज कर दूंगा. 1 से 10 में, 0 से 10 में तो कोई नहीं आएगा, ये तो 100%. मेरी बात मान लो, अगर आप इस वीडियो को देखोगे तो मेरी बात मान लो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट between 0 to 10. दिस इज अ वेरी बैड स्कोर दैट वी कैन से. नेक्स्ट 10 to 20 में देखो, ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज द स्टेटस. आप इतना ज्यादा फीस पे कर देते हैं, राइट, एंड दिस इज द स्टेटस. कितना मार्क्स इस एरा में, इन 2024 यू डोंट हैव अवेयरनेस दैट there are teachers like Dheeraj Misra and all, right? They teach maths and aptitude so nicely that these numbers, you will never fall in this range. But unfortunately, you are falling in this range because you don't have access to me directly. But now you will get an access. My personal number I will share, okay, in the end of the video, right? You see, between 20 to 30, how many students are there? Between 30 to 40, nobody is qualified here, guys. ये क्वालिफाई नहीं है यहाँ पर, ये कोई क्वालिफाई नहीं है, सारे डिसक्वालिफाइड है यहाँ पर, राइट? क्योंकि क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स तो 33 है ना जनरल का. हाँ, SC ST वाले क्वालिफाई होंगे, राइट? SC ST पीपल और OBC you can say if the score is little lesser than the general. Between third, okay, आप देख सकते हो कि पूरे इंडिया में 40 से 50 नंबर पाने वाले 300 लोग हैं केवल. 300 से कम है गाइस, 279. If somebody now claims that, remember this, somebody claims that we are offering great guidance, we are offering this that, हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम वो कर रहे हैं, don't believe. This is the, you show them. ये 40 से 50 नंबर 300 लोग भी नहीं है. मतलब अब इसके अंदर भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे जो कोचिंग लिए होंगे ना, ओके. देयर आर फ्री रिसोर्सेज दैट आई विल टेल, ओके, एंड देयर आर पेड रिसोर्सेज दैट वी आर लॉन्चिंग, एंड okay, I will maximize this number, okay, between, I mean, you see guys, between 50 to 60, oh my god, in entire population guys, entire population, in out of 1.4 billion population in India, there are many colleges, there are branches of aerospace running, okay, but you see 137 number is there who get score between 50 to 60, and 60 to 100, 60 to 70, देखो 70, यही सारे IIT में जाने वाले हैं. ये IIT पीपल हैं. देखो 90 to 100 तो जीरो है, तो मान लो ठीक है. टॉपर 80 to 90 5 लोग हैं, 70 to 80 18, और 60 to ये. इससे आप आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में. सो आपको मैं फ्री गाइडेंस देने वाला हूँ मैथमेटिक्स एंड एप्टीट्यूड का इसी यूट्यूब चैनल में. तो आपको इस यूट्यूब चैनल को हर जगह फैलाना है. इंडिया में सारे PYQ सोल्यूशन मैथ्स के आपको मैं यहाँ देने वाला हूँ लाइव, और आप मेरा फेस देखेंगे. यू आर गोइंग टू वॉच माई फेस एज वेल, द एक्सप्रेशन धीरज सर कैसे डील करते हैं क्वेश्चंस को, राइट? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. पेपर वाइज रेंज ऑफ स्कोर की बात करते हैं, क्योंकि स्कोर ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. द स्कोर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नो, व्हेन यू गेट इनटू IITs एंड ISC, व्हेन यू अप्लाई फॉर COAP, स्कोर्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो दीज आर द स्कोर्स. लेस देन जीरो इतने लोगों का है, आई मीन इतने लोग लेस देन जीरो स्कोर है, नेगेटिव स्कोर. 0 to 100 स्कोर इतने लोगों का है, ओके, यू सी हियर. 900 to 1000 4 लोगों का है, 800 to 11 इन्हीं का IIT में होगा. ये सारे IIT वाले हैं, ऑल गाइज आर IITians, राइट? ठीक है, मतलब इसमें भी बहुत सारे लोग MS में जाते हैं, राइट? तो M.Tech, MS, M.Tech, RA, राइट, एमटेक, RA, MS, ओके। 3 साल का प्रोग्राम होता है, 2 साल का प्रोग्राम होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें, यू सी। ओके, सो यही इंपॉर्टेंट है, गेट स्कोर। नाउ द थिंग इज, यहां पर आप देखो, पेपर वाइज रेंज ऑफ मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100 ऑफ द क्वाली, अब यहां हम क्वालिफाइड की बात करेंगे। क्वालिफाइड केवल, जैसे लोग जो टॉपर्स होते हैं गेट में, उनकी बस बात करते हैं। अगर फेल वालों की बात कर देंगे तो मैंने देखा है, मैंने देखा है, आई हैव सीन विद माई नेकेड आइज, कितने लोग फेल होते हैं, कितने लोग पास होते हैं, राइट। एंड द ओनली रीजन इज देयर इज अ गैप बिटवीन अ टीचर एंड द स्टूडेंट। आप लोग कभी भी इंस्टीट्यूट को हमेशा मत वो करिए, जो टीचर आपको पढ़ा रहा है उसको अप्रिशिएट करिए, ही विल हेल्प यू आउट, ही विल हेल्प सर्टेनली। अगर आप टीचर के बारे में बात ही नहीं कर रहे हो, देन कभी मार्क्स नहीं आएगा, ओके। ऑलवेज गिव क्रेडिट टू दोज टीचर्स हु आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग, शेपिंग योर लाइफ, ठीक है। सो पेपर ए में आप देखो, आई एम टॉक अबाउट जस्ट एरोस्पेस बिकॉज वेरी लेस नंबर्स आर देयर, वेरी लेस पॉपुलेटेड branch, okay, for gate, okay, that's understood. So when I was taking this initiative to start this gate aerospace, many people tried hard to stop it, okay, many people, okay, I don't want to name them. They talk about me, they send message on the WhatsApp as well, I have the screenshot, but I never talk about them because they don't exist in my life. Simple. They never existed, they never exist, but they talk about me and they stop people not to do any sort of work with me, right? Understand, because they know that the power of Dheeraj sir is going to be this. I'm just going to show you all these things for gate aerospace in particular, right? You see, so आप देखो कि पेपर वाइज रेंज ऑफ मार्क्स अगर देखो एरोस्पेस में, सो 11 to 20, ओके। क्वालिफाइड की बात कर रहे हैं, देखो 11 to 20 0 लोग पाए हैं, मतलब किसी का नहीं है, क्वालिफाइड ही नहीं होगा ना फिर इसमें तो। 21 to 30 91, अब इसमें आप समझ जाओ जनरल कैटेगरी तो होगी नहीं, जनरल कैटेगरी, ओके। 30 to 40 इसमें सब हैं, सब सब, ओके, ये क्वालिफाइड हैं, इतने लोग क्वालिफाइड हैं टोटल, राइट। अगर कोई 0 पाएगा तो क्वालिफाई होगा ही नहीं, राइट, मतलब 0 पीपल आर देयर। 10 to 20 अगर किसको मिलता है तो 0 लोग। people paper wise and category wise range of marks out of 100 of the qualified candidate. You see guys, aerospace engineering, right? पेपर कोड आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर कैटेगरी वाइज है। जर्नल में कितने लोग क्वालिफाइड देखो, 142, 40, 30 से 40 नंबर है, 50, 40 से 50 कितना, 130। आप ये पूरा रीड करो, फाइन। नेक्स्ट, so total number of people who got qualified in from general, okay, सारे कैटेगरीज हैं, फाइन। ये इसको मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 1000 स्कोर्स है, राइट। यू सी जनरल के लिए between 300 to 400 there are 89 students, okay, only in India. Okay, so I'm just going to focus on those colleges like Lovely Professional University, Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh University. In Bangalore there are many colleges where Gate Aerospace is there, right? So I'm just going to reach them out in person from the next 2025, okay. In person I will be reaching alone. If nobody is going to help me, I will be reaching you all guys alone, and I will tell you how can you crack Gate aerospace, and you can make your career greater. So it is not necessary that if you're going to appear in the Gate aerospace and you must do your MTech in aerospace, you can do MTech in data science as well. यू कैन डू एमटेक इन रोबोटिक्स एज वेल। ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जिसमें दे रहे हो आपको एंट्री मिल जाएगी, लेकिन ये पेपर आप देखो, आपको अगर एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस मिलता है, इफ यू गेट प्रॉपर गाइडेंस यू कैन क्रैक गेट एग्जामिनेशन। और इसमें बहुत कम लोग हैं, राइट, तो आप कर सकते हो। इसके लिए पूरा मटेरियल भी अपने पास है, गेट एरोस्पेस ईसीएस एकेडमी के पास। द सक्सेस मंत्रा दैट आई विल बी गिविंग यू। 28 मार्क्स तो मैं ही आपको बताने वाला हूं। 28 मार्क्स धीरज सर ही आपको बता देंगे। 28 मार्क्स, ओ माय गॉड, उसमें तो आपका क्वालिफाई हो ही जाएगा, राइट। और फिर आप कोई भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ोगे उसमें आपको मैथमेटिक्स आएगा, मल्टी वेरिएबल कैलकुलस, सिंगल वेरिएबल कैलकुलस, लीनियर अलजेब्रा, कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएबल, so many things are there, Laplace transform, बहुत पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, ओके, पार्शियल पीडी ओडी लोगों को पता ही नहीं है। स्ट्रक्चर आप पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है, पीडी का क्या, बहुत सारी चीज, हाउ डू बी क्लासिफाई पीडी, नोबडी नोस। तो आई विल टॉक इन सेपरेट वीडियो अबाउट मैथ्स इन एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग। तो आप देखो यहाँ पर ये सारी स्टोरीज हैं। स्कोर नेक्स्ट, स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग रैंक ऑफ द क्वालिफाइड कैंडिडेट, यहां से तो नॉट एप्लीकेबल है। ये स्टार्टिंग रैंक है क्वालिफाइंग की, बिटवीन 200 to 300, कितने देखो, इतने लोग हैं क्वालिफाइंग में। एंडिंग रैंक, ये एंडिंग रैंक हो गई, राइट। इस स्कोर में देखो, आप देखते जाओ ये सारी चीजें, राइट। इतनी रैंक है आपकी, ओके, ये स्कोर में एंडिंग, जिसकी रैंक अगर मान लो टॉप 100 में है, टॉप हंड्रेड में, राइट, तो यू सी हियर ये इतना स्कोर होगा उसका, ठीक है। गेट स्कोर इतना होगा बिटवीन दिस रैंक 57 to 140, बिटवीन 16 to 56 ये स्कोर होगा, 5 to 15 में ये स्कोर होगा। तो आप देख सकते हो स्कोर यहाँ से, और इससे आप आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि आपका आईआईटी में होगा कि नहीं होगा, करस्पॉन्डिंग टू योर कैटेगरी, राइट। चलो नेक्स्ट, जेंडर वाइज ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। सो रजिस्टर्ड कैंडिडेट मेल में कितने थे, गर्ल्स में आप देखेंगे तो बहुत ही कम है। ये भी एक शॉकिंग डेटा है, राइट। आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, आई थिंक वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स स्टडीज aerospace engineering, but now they must know that there is a beautiful opportunity for them also, right. And you know that Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, they have given some women quota also. So if you are women category, like if you belong from women category, right, you are female candidate, you are a recent grads studying at some university, right, so you should write gate. If you will get low score also, you can get into ISC. Nobody talks about it. There is a women sponsored quota at in fact in all IITs, some concession, some, irrespective of, regardless of their category of any girl candidate, they have given some special quota. Okay, so this is also one hidden story, hidden opportunity. Okay, so but out of this, see, they are highly disciplined, right, but qualifying kitna hai dekho, 180. What is the reason? Again, the reason is maths and aptitude. That's it. And there is no other reason. And if you're not studying maths and aptitude, remember, again, I'm telling you, why I'm speaking like this. The reason is there are students who have got good rank in GATE. So because of my teaching only, my mathematics and aptitude teaching, they are excelling. In fact, now they are attending, they are doing MTech from IIT Bombay and all, right. So they are appreciating about this, right, fact that they are good at basics in math. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और अदर में 0-0 है, तो मतलब आप देख सकते हो ये स्टोरी है, रेशियो कितना डिमिनिशिंग है, राइट। ओके, सो इसको भी हमें वर्कआउट करना है। एंड क्वालिफाइंग के केस में, गर्ल्स के केस में यू सी जनरल में 73, कैटेगरी वाइज एंड काउंट्स 73 लोग जनरल में थे, ईडब्ल्यूएस में 11, ओबीसी में 63, एससी, तो जनरल में बहुत ही कम 73 ही लोग हैं जो क्वालिफाइड हैं। 73 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 और EWS में 11, बहुत कम लोग हैं SC में ये, राइट। मेल में देखो, मेल्स में कितना डिफरेंस है, राइट। तो वी हैव टू ब्रिज दिस डिफरेंस आल्सो। और पेपर वाइज PWD कैंडिडेट्स, PWD के लिए भी अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी रहता है, राइट। यू सी 32 लोग रजिस्टर्ड हुए, 21 अपीयर्ड हुए, 7 क्वालिफाइड हुए। इनको भी अपन को फ्री में क्लास देना है, PWD को फ्री क्लासेस थ्रू आउट। बट देर आर पीपल हु विल टेक फीस, रिमेंबर। मैं आपको बता देता हूं, आप PW से हो, आप कुछ भी हो, फीस तो हम लेंगे ही लेंगे, क्योंकि हमें फैकल्टीज को देना है करोड़ों रुपए। बट ऐसा फैक्ट नहीं है। You guys don't believe, right? There are many students who thinks that the teacher who are teaching in some of the institute, right, they get lakhs of rupee per month, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, right? Because the way they teach, like the way I teach maths, people think that, oh my god, but they don't know the reality behind, right? So PWT ECS Academy, right? The Gate Aerospace ECS Academy will be giving all access, all kind of courses for free from 2025 onwards. Remember, and this is my promise. Okay, no teacher will hamper. Also, I'm also a teacher only, right? And I'm gonna do this. No teacher is going to do. So this PWD, okay, and I'm not going to show my case that, yeah, see, my teachers are from IIT, so you should study from me. Not like that, guys. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If we are giving you the best content at very affordable cost, like 10,000 to 15,000 fees, you should join us. That's it. And you will get rank. अरे 50 नंबर में आपका रैंक आ रहा है, तो why you are wasting your 35,000, 50,000 rupees, right? You think by yourself. आपको पाना 40 नंबर ही है, कुछ भी कर लो 40 नंबर ही आपको मिलना है। यू विल गेट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे 40-50 मार्क्स। कुछ लोग तो क्वालिफाई नहीं हो रहे हैं, लेस देन 0 मार्क्स आ रहा है। मैंने आपको सारा दिखा दिया है स्टैट्स, राइट। उसमें भी कुछ लोग तो कोचिंग कर रहे होंगे ना। आपको पाना 40 नंबर है, 40 मार्क्स है, बट वाई यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, वाई यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मनी एज वेल एज टाइम in the blind screen, right? You guys are not familiar with which teacher is teaching you. You don't have any access to that teacher also, direct access, right? Okay, and there are false claims, okay, that I will be showing everything as we move ahead, ठीक है। तो आपको समझना है कि जब कोई बंदा है and he is giving you complete guidance at very low cost, okay, and 2025 फ्री है टोटल, है ना। हमारे फ्री गाइडेंस से देखना, इस साल more than 100 people will get qualified in the gate, right? ठीक है, so you see, uh, fine. So yeah, so next is, you see, minimum marks is this, maximum marks is this, minimum marks, maximum marks, okay, PWD के केस में, ठीक है। तो this was all about PWD, guys. So ये statistics मैंने आपको, statistics, this was really shocking statistics, okay, and yes, this was very shocking statistics, okay. So my appeal to all Gate Aerospace candidate will be here, okay. Please do share this video session among everyone, okay, this video recording session, right, so that many students get aware that there are opportunities and there are people who will be guiding you, right. And for Gate 2025 everything is gonna get free, ठीक है, everything, ठीक है, सब कुछ फ्री रहेगा। and I'm here to guide you, and I will be giving you my all paid courses for free for mathematics only, mathematics and aptitude, and I will be guiding you for all the, like, for doubt solving, for test series, for everything. I'm gonna guide you, from the very scratch. So you guys can contact me directly on my number, right? So I'm just going to give you my number as well. Directly WhatsApp me 700-579-1628. Okay, you guys can directly reach out to me and I will discuss, and I will suggest you how to prepare for Gate Aerospace based on your current status, ठीक है। सो यहां पर ऐसा केस नहीं है, ठीक है. What I'm telling you will be the, you can say, it is going to act like anything, and you have to at the end of the day कितना पाना है, 40 से 50 नंबर पाना, 40 से 50 है. Why you will waste your money like 30,000 40,000, right? Okay, so this is a number you can follow. And next Gate Aerospace ECS Academy, Dheeraj sir mathematics class and aptitude, do attend it. All PYQ solutions and entire course I will be putting on my this YouTube channel. Okay, so please share this YouTube channel among everyone and get a good rank tomorrow. Okay, and ask many people to appear for Gate Aerospace. There are many opportunities. We will also discuss in some of the session the opportunities for Gate Aerospace. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next session, and next video will be on entire syllabus. I will make you through entire syllabus and what is the importance of mathematics and aptitude, how mathematics and aptitude can change your life in Gate Aerospace. Thank you.